Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into FTX wallet on your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your FTX wallet on your PC, open up a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in ftx.com/wallet. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official web page. You'll end up in the official web page of FTX. Click the login button at the top right hand corner from the main home page, and this will bring up the login area on your display. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your FTX wallet account in the first text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials, click the login button to get access to your account. But in case you've forgotten your password and you are stuck right there in the login process and don't know what to do next, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, click the login button after you enter the credentials correct, and you'll be logged in to your FTX wallet account right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.